To make the Viking apron dress, you only need 2 of the main pieces from the 4 we've already created using our basic geometric patterns. So you need the gore and the main piece. You do have to make the straps for it, but those are cut separately, and I'll show you how to do that in a later video. Start by shortening your gore. I wanted mine shorter by about 9 inches, so using math, I come up to shortening it to about 42 3/8 of an inch. As you can see, I folded up, tested it, realized it was a little too short, and straightened it out. And there you go. There's my 42 3/8 of an inch for my gore. Once you have your gore length determined, pin it down because you don't want to lose the work you just did. Then you're going to go ahead and take your rectangle, lay it out next to your gore, and then basically just match them. You've got your gore, you just fold that rectangle to match it, and your lengths will match. You'll have your 2 pieces you need, your main piece and your gore piece, and that's what you need for the apron dress. Now that my pattern length is determined, I'm going to go ahead and lay them out for cutting. I am still on the cross grain. That gives me plenty of space to cut the straps, and I know that the main piece and the gores will fit on a cross grain cut, so that's where I'm at. It does not line up on the fold. It doesn't need to because it has to be open across the top so you can get your head through. Additionally, there's only shoulder straps on this. Once you have the main piece pinned and cut out, you go ahead and lay out your gore. This one I am tracing because, again, I only have 1 gore piece, but I need 4 gores. And this is going to be the most economical use of fabric. Do note here that I am freehanding that slant. I don't want to dip in where the pattern fold is. You just want to freehand it. Flip your piece, mark your other gores. And then that's all you need to do. You have 2 main pieces and 4 gores, and you're ready to start making your dress.